To withdraw money from your Lone Star Card, also known as the Texas Electronic Benefit Transfer Card, follow these steps. The Lone Star Card is used for receiving and using food and cash assistance benefits. First, locate an ATM or a store that accepts the Lone Star Card. Many grocery stores, convenience stores, and banks have ATMs that you can use to withdraw cash from your card. Look for the Quest logo on the ATM or store to ensure it accepts the Lone Star Card. Next, insert your card into the ATM and enter your personal identification number or PIN. This is a 4-digit number that you created when you received your card. If you forgot your PIN, you can call the number on the back of your card to reset it. Once you have entered your PIN, select the option to withdraw cash from your account. Choose the account type, either food or cash, depending on the type of benefits you want to access. If you want to withdraw cash, select the cash account, then enter the amount of cash you want to withdraw. Make sure you have enough funds in your account to cover the withdrawal and any applicable fees. The ATM will dispense the cash and print a receipt for your records. You can also get cash back from a store without using an ATM. When you are making a purchase, let the cashier know that you want to get cash back. They will ring up your purchase and ask you how much cash you want to receive. The amount will be deducted from your cash account and the remaining balance will be given to you in cash. It is essential to keep track of your account balance to avoid overdrafts and declined transactions. You can check your balance online, by phone, or at an ATM. It is also crucial to keep your card and PIN secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. In conclusion, withdrawing money from your Lone Star Card is a straightforward process that requires you to locate an ATM or store, enter your PIN, select the account type, and enter the amount of cash you want to withdraw. Always keep track of your account balance and keep your card and PIN secure to ensure the security of your benefits.